The McLaren W1, a new era of automotive excellence. This car is not just a vehicle, it's a revolution in motion. Imagine the thrill of driving along the coast, the wind in your hair, and the roar of the engine echoing through the cliffs. The McLaren W1 is designed to make every journey an unforgettable experience. McLaren does it again. They've gone and built something truly special. In the high-tech garages where innovation meets precision, engineers have poured their hearts and souls into creating a masterpiece. The W1 is not just a car, it's a testament to human ingenuity and passion for perfection. It's called the W1, and it's a masterpiece. Every curve, every line, every detail has been meticulously crafted to achieve not just beauty, but aerodynamic excellence. Under the studio lights, the W1 shines like a jewel, a beacon of what is possible when art meets engineering. This isn't just another supercar, it's a statement. A statement that says performance and luxury can coexist in perfect harmony. As it speeds through the urban jungle at night, the W1 turns heads and captures imagination. In a luxury setting, it stands as a symbol of status and sophistication. The W1 is the culmination of everything McLaren has learned. Decades of racing heritage and care, ensuring that the W1 is not just fast, but also reliable and safe. It's the beginning of a new era for McLaren, an era where the boundaries of what a supercar can be are pushed further than ever before. Driving through a futuristic cityscape, the W1 feels right at home, a glimpse into the future of automotive design and technology. On the test track, it proves its mettle, ready to take on any challenge, and what a way to start. The W1 accelerates with breathtaking speed, leaving grace and precision, a dance of power and control. This is not just driving, this is an experience, a thrill that few other cars can offer. Get ready for a wild ride. The W1 is not for the faint of heart, it's for those who crave excitement, who live for the thrill of the open road. Inside, the driver grips the steering wheel, feeling the raw power at their fingertips. Every drive is an adventure, a journey into the extraordinary. This is the McLaren W1, a car that redefines what it means to be a supercar. Through tunnels with lights flashing, it feels like a rocket ready to launch. Cruising through scenic landscapes, it offers a serene yet exhilarating experience. The W1 is a car that adapts to your desires, whether you seek speed or tranquility, and it's here to redefine what a supercar can be. Buckle up. The W1 is not just a car, it's a revolution. It passes other supercars on the racetrack with ease, proving its dominance. Parked with its doors open, it invites you to step inside and experience the future of automotive excellence. The McLaren W1 is here, and it's ready to take you on the ride of your life. The McLaren W1 is a marvel of modern engineering, combining breathtaking speed with unparalleled control. Its sleek design and powerful engine make it a standout in the world of supercars. From its innovative hybrid engine to its aerodynamic design, the McLaren W1 is a testament to automotive artistry. Join us as we explore the features that make this car a true masterpiece. The name W1 isn't random, it's a carefully chosen designation that carries a lot of weight and history. It's a nod to Bruce McLaren's first car, a symbol of his pioneering spirit and relentless pursuit of excellence. The one that started it all, setting the foundation for what would become a legendary brand in the world of motorsport. But it's more than just a nostalgic throwback. The W1 represents a bridge between the past and the future, merging classic design with cutting-edge technology. The W1 signifies a new chapter for McLaren, a bold step forward into uncharted territory while still honoring the legacy that Bruce McLaren built. It's a return to the brand's core values: purity, performance, innovation. These are not just words, they are the essence of what McLaren stands for. The W1 embodies these principles in every way. From its sleek design to its powerful engine, every detail has been meticulously crafted to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. This is a car that's both a tribute to the past and a glimpse into the future. It's a bold statement, a declaration that McLaren is not just resting on its laurels, but is continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And one that McLaren is more than capable of living up to. The W1 is not just a car, it's a testament to the brand's enduring commitment commitment to excellence, a promise that the best is yet to come. As we look back to the beginning, we also look forward to a future filled with endless possibilities and groundbreaking innovations. Let's talk power. The W1 packs a punch. It's got this hybrid engine. They call it the MHP8. And it's an absolute monster. We're talking over 1,000 horsepower combined with instant electric torque. The acceleration is mind-blowing. It's like being shot out of a cannon. This isn't just about raw power, though. The hybrid system adds a whole new dimension. It improves efficiency without sacrificing performance. It's the best of both worlds. The W1 is a beast on the track, but it's also surprisingly civilized on the road. It's like having two cars in one. McLaren has nailed the balance between performance and usability. The handling is razor sharp. The suspension soaks up bumps without breaking a sweat. And the brakes? They'll stop you on a dime. Whether you're carving corners on your favorite track or cruising down the highway, the W1 delivers an unforgettable experience. It's a true driver's car. Section 5. Shape-shifting aerodynamics, mastering the wind. The W1 is a slippery beast. Its design is not just about looking good, it's about slicing through the air with precision. It cuts through the air like a hot knife through butter. This isn't just a metaphor, it's the result of meticulous engineering. That's because McLaren has put a lot of thought into the aerodynamics. Every curve, every angle, every surface has been optimized. They've created this thing called the McLaren aerosol. It's a marvel of modern engineering. It's basically a system of active aero elements. These components are not static, they are dynamic and responsive. They adjust automatically to optimize downforce and reduce drag. This means the car can adapt to different driving conditions in real time. The result is a car that sticks to the road like glue. Whether you're taking sharp corners or accelerating on a straight, the W1 remains stable and controlled. It gives you the confidence to push the W1 to its limits. You can feel the car working with you, not against you. And trust me, you'll want to. The thrill of driving the W1 is unmatched. It's not just about speed, it's about the experience, the connection between driver and machine. The steering is precise, the feedback is immediate, and the car responds to your every input. It's like an extension of your own body. And it's not just about perfect conditions. The W1 performs exceptionally well in various weather conditions, thanks to its advanced aerodynamics. McLaren has tested this car in all sorts of environments to ensure it delivers consistent performance, from the scorching heat to the freezing cold. And when you finally park and step out, you can't help but admire its beauty. The W1 is a masterpiece, both in form and function. Driving a car, you're experiencing the pinnacle of automotive engineering, mastering the wind indeed. Section 6. Design that cuts through the air, form follows performance. The W1 is a looker, there's no denying that. But the design isn't just about aesthetics. Every curve, every line serves a purpose. Take the McLaren anhedral doors. They're not just there to look cool, they actually improve airflow into the engine. The W1 is a perfect example of form-following function. It's a car that's both beautiful and incredibly capable. It's a work of art on wheels. Section 7. The cockpit, where driver and machine become one. Step inside the W1, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit. Everything is designed to enhance the driving experience. The seats are supportive and comfortable. The steering wheel is perfectly weighted, and all the controls are within easy reach. You feel connected to the car. It's like the car becomes an extension of yourself. It's a truly immersive experience. Section 8. A legacy forged in performance, the McLaren W1's place in history. The McLaren W1 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's a testament to McLaren's unwavering commitment to performance. This is a car that's destined to become a legend. It's going to rewrite the rulebook, and it's going to inspire a whole new generation of supercar enthusiasts. The W1 is a worthy successor to the McLaren legacy. It's a car that Bruce McLaren himself would be proud of. Section 9. The ultimate supercar experience. A symphony of power, precision and passion. The McLaren W1 is the complete package. It's got power, it's got precision, and it's got passion. It's a car that excites the senses. From the moment you lay eyes on it to the moment you step out of the driver's seat, the W1 leaves a lasting impression. It's an experience that's hard to put into words. You have to feel it to believe it. Section 10, Conclusion, the McLaren W1, a testament to automotive artistry. The McLaren W1 is a masterpiece of automotive engineering. It's a car that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. It's a car that's both breathtakingly beautiful and brutally fast. It's a car that will leave you speechless. The McLaren W1, the ultimate supercar experience. Thank you for watching our journey through the McLaren W1, the ultimate supercar experience. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more incredible automotive content. Visit our website for exclusive behind-the-scenes footage and updates on the latest in automotive excellence.